Woodworking is the best hobby. Prove me wrong. If you're already a woodworker, there's one reason you started. You should share it in the comments. If you're not a woodworker, there's one reason you start. I don't know what that reason is. Maybe it's a promising side hustle, or maybe you're really needing something and you just can't find it anywhere else, or maybe afford it. Maybe you want to make something as a gift, and this is probably the most common reason: you need to fix something. That wasn't exactly the reason I started, but it's the reason I continued. The first thing I made outside of school was a jump for my bike. This is me, and this is not the ramp I made. It was stolen. I didn't buy any tools, I just borrowed them, and I was done woodworking after that. Or so I thought. Then I was asked to finish an abandoned project. To fix something. A bathroom. The vanity, the plumbing, the drawers, the walls, the drawer faces, the trim. I didn't know what I was doing. But it turned out pretty good, and it felt really good. Like really, really good to make something with my own two hands for someone else. And I was hooked. I fell in love with making things for other people and fixing things for other people. And that's what I'm doing today. This is the LTT sorting box toy. I got it for my daughter when she was born, and the bottom cracked out. Daddy cleanup time can be a little aggressive. My solution is not the most elegant. Originally, I was going to give it a walnut bottom, but I made a mistake in my measurements, so I used 3/4 inch plywood instead. And it was a really tight fit, but I got it in. I don't like this corner. I'll probably take it back and fix it up some other time. But at the end of all this, it's sanded, it's smoothed over, it's softened, and there's some finish sprayed on it, and now my daughter is happy again. Do you know which one the purple power button goes into? That's right, the orange one. What about the yellow mouse? That's right, the orange one. And how about this green graphics card? That's right, the orange one. Okay, maybe I'm the only one who plays with it. And I got mad because I couldn't figure it out. And if you ask me, woodworking is the best hobby there is. I've set world records on video games, I shred mountains on my bike, I've solved a Rubik's Cube in just over 13 seconds, and I sing in the shower. And woodworking, despite being one of my newest hobbies, is the most gratifying. Every time you build something new, there's a sense of accomplishment, this magical side where you took a dead tree and you turned it into something. And being able to share those projects with customers or friends or family brings a level of joy that no other hobby has provided. If you have not tried woodworking, you should. And if you need project ideas, I have plenty on my channel, so subscribe to see those. They're all small and very easy. Woodworking is the best hobby. Prove me wrong. And if there's nothing else, I will see you in the next one.